Hey there. Have you ever wondered if AI is going to take over our future? Well, stick around because I'm about to dive into this fascinating topic. First off, let's break down what AI, or artificial intelligence, really is. Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think and learn like us. Sounds cool, right? Now you might be thinking, will AI take over our jobs? The answer is both yes and no. AI can handle repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans. Think of assembly lines or data entry. But jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making, those are safe, for now. Let's look at some real-world examples. Self-driving cars are already on the roads. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa help us with daily tasks. And AI is revolutionizing healthcare with predictive analytics. These are just a few ways AI is making our lives easier. But here's the kicker. AI isn't perfect. It relies on data, and if that data is biased, the AI can make biased decisions. Plus, there are ethical concerns. Who's responsible if a self-driving car crashes? Can AI be trusted with our personal information? These are questions we need to answer as we move forward. So what does the future hold? Experts believe AI will continue to evolve and become an even bigger part of our lives. Imagine AI helping us solve climate change, curing diseases, or even exploring space. The possibilities are endless. But here's something important to remember. AI is a tool. It's up to us humans to use it responsibly. We need to set boundaries and ensure it benefits everyone, not just a select few. So, will AI take over our lives? It's not about AI taking over, but rather how we choose to integrate it into our society. The future isn't set in stone. It's a canvas, and we hold the brush. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more interesting content. See you next time.